clean out your teeth and you want to soak me while I'm cleaning out your teeth? Not cool. Oh, bless you. Thanks, you've given yourself a bath. Hi.
Lymphoma. Cancer causes seizures. We would have seen cerebral masses on his head CT.
Binks giving himself a bath.
Now,
Is it really hot today, Binks? Can you say hi for the camera? Don't
in his
poop.
spleen were granulomas.
Bless you.
Sarcoidosis.
Hi.
Sorry, Al.
Can you say hi for the camera? No.
Say bye-bye, house.
Hi.
Yeah.
Binks.
Keep going.
Binks, talk today. Hi. Hi.
It is.
What is it?